How to get your ex-boyfriend back. 7 proven steps. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss a topic that many of you have been requesting. How to get your ex-boyfriend back. We understand that breakups can be tough, and sometimes you may want to rekindle that lost connection. So, in this video, we will share 7 proven steps to help you win back your ex. Let's get started. Step 1. Acceptance and self-reflection. The first step towards getting your ex-boyfriend back is to accept the breakup and take some time for self-reflection. Understand why the relationship ended and assess your own behavior and actions. Take this time to work on yourself, build confidence, and improve any personal issues that may have contributed to the breakup. Step 2. No contact rule. Next, implement the no contact rule. This means no communication with your ex for a specific period. It allows both parties to heal and gain perspective. Use this time to focus on your personal growth, engage in hobbies, and spend time with loved ones. Step 3. Reconnect as friends. After the no contact period, you can start reconnecting as friends. Reach out to your ex and suggest meeting up for casual activity. Keep it light and friendly, avoiding any discussions about the past relationship. Show genuine interest in their life and be supportive. Step 4. Focus on self-improvement. While reconnecting with your ex, it's essential to continue focusing on your self-improvement. This includes physical and mental well-being. Hit the gym, explore new hobbies, and engage in activities that make you happy. This positive change will make you more attractive and confident. Step 5. Rebuild trust and communication. As you spend more time together, focus on rebuilding trust and open communication. Be honest about your intentions and apologize for any mistakes you may have made in the past. Show your ex that you have grown and are committed to positive changes. Step 6. Rekindle the attraction. Once trust and communication are re-established, it's time to rekindle the attraction. Dress nicely. Take care of your appearance and be confident. Remind your ex of the qualities that attracted them to you in the first place. Spend quality time together and create new positive memories. Step 7. Evaluate the relationship. Finally, it's crucial to evaluate the relationship and determine if getting back together is truly the right choice. Consider the reasons for the breakup and whether those issues have been resolved. Discuss future goals and expectations openly to ensure compatibility. And that concludes our video. Remember, getting back together is not always guaranteed, and it's important to respect both parties' feelings. If you are unable to reconcile, focus on moving forward and finding happiness within yourself. Thank you for watching. If you have something to add, please leave a comment. And if you find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe.